Hi everyone, this is coming to you from Education for All. We are still looking at functions and graphs, and we have defined what a function is, and we have also explained the importance of functions in the whole of science, engineering, astronomy, because we use functions to model physical world. And we define a function to be a special mapping, such that every element in one set is mapped to exactly one element on the other sets. Different books, they say different things, but they all mean the same thing. Some books might even tell you this is the image of the element here. So they use the word image. You might not see codomain or range, you see image. So as you go along, you try to understand what these terms mean. Right, and we already described the type of mappings we have. Now, with this definition here, every element in the domain, this is our domain, and this is our range. More or less, this is our x, this is our y, if you are looking at a function. So every element here is mapped to exactly one element here. What if the elements here are not mapped to exactly one element here? For example, if you have a function like y is equals x raised to the half, 1/2. This is seen as x. You are finding the square root of x. And you want to show, or you want to prove whether this can be transformed. This type of mapping is a function. If I ask to map this equation now, whether it is a function or not, well, this can be a function only if the domain, we can be able to make some changes or some manipulations in the domain. For example, if x is greater than or equal to 0, then this could be a function. But if x is less than 0, it's not a function. Why? Because if x is less than 0, all the values you get will be negative. So that will disqualify you to be a function. All the values will be negative. That will send you into complex numbers. Well, if x is 0 here, and you start getting all positive numbers, then this could be a function. Right? So by doing something to the code, to the domain, that is by doing something here, by giving some restriction here, one of it could be we add something here, and then we'll have it a function, a one-to-one function. Or without this one here, we can still take this one here. It's also a function. That is one-to-many. Now we'll have one-to-many function by just making some changes here, the domain. If x, make x greater than 0, it will be a function. But if x is less than 0, it will not be a function. You will understand this when you go deeper about into this topic. But I should bring this to you to know. When you go deeper, then this becomes very essential to you, what I'm explaining now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.